Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel. I am Jiva Mukesh. In this video, we will dive deep into some of the most important matrix pattern problems often asked in technical interviews, especially in companies like Zoho. We will explore a wide range of triangle and square matrix patterns, including right-angled and inverted triangles, square patterns, and logic-based formats like the count and say pattern. We will generate each of these patterns step by step using the Java programming language with clear structured logic and visual dry runs to help you understand the flow of the generating each pattern. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. To watch our previous tutorials, click the link in the description below. Let's dive right into today's topic. Before we start solving the problems, we want to understand how triangle patterns, square matrix patterns, and logic-based patterns like the count and say pattern are generated. Pattern 1. This pattern denotes the lower triangular matrix filled diagonally. For example, if the size is 5, row 1 will be 1, row 2 will be 2, 6, row 3 will be 3, 7, 10, row 4 will be 4, 8, 11, 13, row 5 will be 5, 9, 12, 14, 15. Pattern 2. This pattern denotes the lower triangular matrix filled alternatively. For example, if the size is 4, odd rows filled with odd numbers, even rows filled with even numbers. Row 1 will be 1, row 2 will be 2, 4, row 3 will be 3, 5, 7, row 4 will be 4, 6, 8, 10. Pattern 3. This pattern denotes the inverted triangle matrix filled diagonally. For example, if the size is 6, row 1 will be 1, 7, 12, 16, 19, 21. Row 2 will be 2, 8, 13, 17, 20. Row 3 will be 3, 9, 14, 18. Row 4 will be 4, 10, 15. Row 5 will be 5, 11. Row 6 will be 6. Pattern 4. This pattern denoted the count and say sequence. Each row is derived by describing the previous row in terms of consecutive digits. For example, if the number of terms is 4, row 1 will be 1, row 2 will be 1, 1, row 3 will be 2, 1, row 4 will be 1, 2, 1, 1. Pattern 5. This pattern denotes the square matrix filled with cyclic sequence. It is also known as Latin square matrix. For example, in 5 cross 5 matrix, row 1 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, row 2 will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, row 3 will be 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, row 4 will be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, row 5 will be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern 6. This pattern denotes box inside square pattern. For example, in 3 cross 3 matrix, all positions are filled with X except center, which is filled with O. Pattern 7. This pattern denotes concentric square pattern. For example, in 3 cross 3 matrix, outer layer contains number 3 and inner layer contains number 2. Now let's take the time to solve these problems and demonstrate one by one by applying Java code. That's all for today. I hope you guys understood today's topic well. If you have any queries or doubts, please mention them in the comments below, and I will be happy to help. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.